What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another one. It's finally here, the elusive actuator. Now I haven't actually opened this all the way. I just cut it because I'm holding the camera in the other hand. So let's see. It took me from order date to receiving close to 3 months. Three months to get this thing. So let's see. Now my hopes aren't high. Ask me why they're high. Why are your hopes not high? Because nothing ever seems to work out, especially when it comes to this exhaust. So I'm just hoping, but I'm kind of prepared for disappointment. From TascaParts.com. Tasca, apparently it's a like actual Ford dealer. And there we are, the 5K 245B. So this actually replaced, I forgot what the other one, there's an old number here, and that's what the other actuator was that Ford actually discontinued and replaced with this one. So my car has one good actuator, one not, and the one not good one is the one that had the old one, and here's the new one. Ford was gonna charge me $1,300 to install one of these new ones when I had my car in for transmission issues. I ordered this for 150 bucks. 150 bucks, $1,300, 150 bucks, doing a little bit of research, so. Yeah, F you, Ford. And there we are. So I'm a dumbass, actually forgot which side wasn't working. So I'm gonna have to pull it out, I guess video inside each valve and just kind of see which one's working. I don't know, I should have known this. So of course I put it in quiet mode. Go look at the valves. Both of them are shut. Like it's working or something. I swear it's not, which is really frustrating. All right, so I think it's a passenger one like I thought. Turn the car off, put it in accessory mode, put it in quiet. You come back here and look. That one's closed. That one's not. It's gotta be that one. All right, this part's gonna be kind of hard to show, but basically just gotta get this piece off. Okay. Oh. I should just come off like that. And then you can actually, and that part comes off like that, and you're unattached. Sorry, bad camera work, I know. Okay, so this thing is that way. So I'm gonna go get the new actuator and make sure we do it the other way. Oh, here it is. Okay. Oh wait, okay. Once I establish how this one needs to go on, then I can kind of compare these. Oh wait, what the heck? It looks totally different. Okay. I assume, yeah. We got this piece on both that are up. It just looks different. Okay, so the spring, that one is, let's see. So this, okay, well, let's see. This is how I have that one, and I think it's this way. I think. I mean, it's just freaking possible to know. This is how it was on, this is the opposite way. I mean, there is literally nothing on the internet about how to put these fucking springs on. I mean, it's like they don't exist. You cannot find a video except the one snippet of CJ Pony Parts, and he's like, just stick the spring in and then just go, like, he doesn't show you how to put it in. It's frustrating, like why? Why? I'm gonna go with this way, I guess. I mean, I freaking guess. I guess I could take the other side off and see how it's sitting. Might not be a bad idea because the other side is working. Maybe I'll do that. I just don't want to mess with it. Maybe I'll do that. All right, this is the driver's side I just took off. So it doesn't need to go like that. That was backwards. I'm assuming they shouldn't be opposite because they're on opposite sides. I'm assuming it's just the same assembly on both sides. Yeah, because both the valves flip the same way on both sides. Cool. Okay, all right, so we're good there. That one look like that. That was backwards. So these don't actually look so different because this will go on here. So I'm going to carefully take this off, set it there so we know which way it goes back on. Set that on, put this on the new actuator. And we should be good to go to put it back on. Let's see. All right guys, new actuator is on over here. This one was so tight. It was so hard to get on. There for a second, it felt like you were gonna break it. Like you had to get it in there seated perfectly down in there. Keep like a solid amount of pressure just down on it and then twist it like a whole quarter of a rotation and line it perfectly. That thing snapped out so easily on the inside, but we finally got it. So I'm either about to be a really happy man or you're probably never gonna see this video. If anybody wants a broken actuator, I'll sell it to you. 100 bucks. 100 bucks. Hit me up. All right guys, I'm gonna do this calibration test or whatever. So the car needs to be asleep. You press the on button. I can hear the valves moving. It says wait 20 seconds. I'll go fully open, fully closed, wait for 20 more seconds, and then turn it on. So I'm gonna wait and listen for him. There it goes into quiet. Quiet, is it working? Is it working? Oh my God. Normal. Quiet. And the only thing that concerns me is that the quiet start was on. Oh, let's see. Let me fill that all the way up. Now let's try it. Now let's try it. Oh my God, it works. Oh my God. Oh my God. I'm just gonna let you see my face. Oh my God. I was not expecting it to work. I just wasn't. I just knew something wouldn't be, it'd be the wrong side. It wouldn't work for some reason, and it works. It works. I'm pumped. All right, well, if you're having those issues, it's the actuator. Don't give it to stupid ass Ford to do. They'll charge you $1,300. 150 bucks, man. Tasca parts. Go back to the earlier in the video, you can see the part number, type that into Google. Tasca is like one of the first one that comes up. Steer yourself, bro. It's easy. Easy. All right, man, finally some good news for once. Thanks for sticking around to the end. Thanks for being here. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll see you in the next one.